Let's face it, there's a lot of touch out there that's really mediocre. This is because so much touch is habitual, boring, medium-level touch that does nothing to create exhilaration in the body.
If you want to learn how to give people arousing tingles that fill the body with anticipation, as well as the kind of touch that spreads sensation deep and wide, this class is for you. I'm Celeste.
And I'm Danielle. And we are the founders of the Somatica Institute of Sex and Relationship Coaching.
From our years of experience teaching touch, we happen to know that touch is so much more than just giving pleasure. It's truly feeling the other person, and it's one of the most effective ways to show someone how much you care about and desire them.
Done right, touch is an orchestra of delight played on the body surface, plus squeezes that ignite and penetrate deep into a person's core. It's the balance and playfulness between these kinds of touch that brings the body to the peaks of pleasure.
Take this class and let the orchestra begin.